Good morning to you all. Sorry the day started a little bit stressful, but we are going to make it fun with STEM, right? So practically today, we'll be working on two projects. We'll be working on the robot arm. You know, in the factories, a lot of processes have been automated. We don't want people carrying boxes and dropping them with their hand, right? It gets tiring. So we want to make in such a way that there's a machine that carries that box from one place to the other without human intervention. On the second project, we are going to be designing a spider robot. We want to design a robot that walks like a spider and can climb on any surface and can go different areas, right? Advantages of it, you are going to list them, I know, and I trust you guys are very smart. I know you are very smart. So you are going to give us the advantages of these two projects we are going to be designing today. So practically, before the end of the class, we should all know and we will be able to design and implement those two robot systems. Is that okay?
I'm Rakia. I really like the practicals. We do a lot of actual work instead of just writing all day because we actually use practical things in real life and in real jobs, so it prepares you for the working world.
Well, my name is Princess, and what I like about STEM is that I get to do a lot of new things. I've never assembled a robot before, so this is my first time, and I really enjoyed that STEM has given me the chance to do this.
My name is Tracy, and what I love about robotics and programming class is that for a while I've been passionate about robotics and programming, and I finally got the chance to practice it manually while being at St. Mary's. I hope I can come here sooner and again to practice the robotics and programming.
Today we're in the STEM class working on trying to build a robot that can pick up trash because we have noticed that there's a lot of trash around campus. So we're trying to build something that can pick up trash from one location to another.
My name is Etwe Kimeli, and we came for a summer camp 3 weeks ago, and we noticed that the cleaners have always taken trash to the dustbin before taking it out of school. So right now we're building a robot arm that can help them pick up the dirt so that they can make the work more efficient.